Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will bring you a very surprising thing about the Amazon forest. Hidden in the dense layers of leaves of the Amazon forest, there is a small creature but contains deadly power. They are not tigers, not snakes but poison dart frogs, a masterpiece of nature. They are both charming and scary. So what has made this creature only a few centimeters long become the pain of the whole forest? Let's explore the mystery with us right now. Poison dart frogs are the common name of a group of frogs in the family Dendrobatidae originating from tropical Central and South America. These species are active during the day and often have brightly colored bodies. This color is related to the toxicity of the species, and this is also a warning of their danger to other species. Some species in the family Dendrobatidae are extremely brightly colored and highly toxic, a trait that stems from their diet of ants, ticks and termites, while species that feed on a wider range of prey have cryptic colors with minimal or no observed toxicity. The name, dart frogs, comes from the indigenous people of South America, who used their toxic secretions to poison blow darts. However, of the more than 170 species, only 4 have been recorded as being used for this purpose. All belong to the genus Phyllobates, which is characterized by its relatively large size and high toxicity. Poison dart frogs are a great example of biodiversity in the Amazon. Each species has a unique color, from jewel-like greens, bright yellows like the sun, to contrasting red and black patterns. All are natural warning signs saying, "Don't go near them." Most poison dart frogs are small, sometimes less than 2 centimeters long when fully grown. Although some species can grow up to 6 centimeters long, most poison dart frogs are brightly colored, displaying patterns to warn off potential predators. Their bright colors are related to their toxicity and alkaloid levels. For example, frogs in the genus Dendrobates have high levels of alkaloids, while Colostethus species are cryptic and non-toxic, despite their striking and beautiful appearance. Did you know that just one of these tiny frogs can contain enough poison to kill 10 adult humans? Have you ever wondered how this frog became a mobile poison store? Interestingly, they do not produce their own poison, but rather absorb it from their diet. Their main food is ants, beetles, termites and small insects that live in the forest. These insects contain alkaloids, which are precursors for poison dart frogs to synthesize batrachotoxin, one of the most potent toxins in the world. Batrachotoxin works by disrupting the nervous system, interrupting signals between the brain and muscles, causing paralysis and death. Many poison dart frogs secrete alkaloid toxins. The alkaloids in the skin glands of poison dart frogs act as a chemical defense against predation, allowing them to work with potential predators during the day. About 28 structural alkaloid classes are known in poison dart frogs. The most toxic poison dart frog is Phyllobates terribilis. Although some poison dart frogs use toxins, some predators have developed resistance to them. One of these is the snake Erythrolamprus epinephalis, which has developed immunity to the venom. Poison dart frogs are well known for their territorial and aggressive behavior not only as tadpoles but also as adults. This aggressive behavior is not limited to males, as many females are also known to defend their native territories very aggressively. They are especially aggressive when defending areas that serve as male calling areas. Males fight intruders to defend their territories, while their calls and various behavioral displays serve as a way of showing their strength or fitness. Territorial disputes and fights often escalate into physical and aggressive fighting. Physical violence and aggression are common during calling. If a calling intruder is detected in a frog's territory, the resident frog will attempt to eliminate the rival in order to claim the territory and its females for itself. Many species of poison dart frogs are devoted parents. They carry their newly hatched tadpoles into the canopy. The tadpoles cling to the mucus on the parent frog's back. Once at the top of rainforest trees, the parents lay their young in pools of water that accumulate in epiphytic plants, such as bromeliads. The tadpoles feed on invertebrates in their nursery, and the mothers will even supplement their diet by laying their eggs in the water. Other poison dart frogs lay their eggs on the ground, hidden under leaf litter. Poison dart frogs fertilize their eggs externally. The female lays a clutch of eggs, which the male then fertilizes. In a similar way to most fish, Poison dart frogs can often be seen hugging each other, similar to how most frogs mate. However, these displays are essentially territorial wrestling matches. Both males and females are frequently involved in territorial disputes. A male will fight for the most prominent perches to make his mating call. Females will fight for desirable nests and even invade the nests of other females to eat their eggs. Observations of the poison dart frog family show that males of this species typically make their mating calls in the morning between 6:30 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. Males are usually located at an average height of 1 meter above the ground on branches, trunks or logs so that their calls can be carried further and that potential mates can see them. The call is signaled towards the stream where the female is. Upon receiving the call, the female will approach the male and fertilization will occur. Poison dart frogs are known for their aggressive and predatory behavior. As tadpoles, individuals of the genus Dendrobatidae exhibit some unique cannibalistic tendencies. Along with many other forms of predatory behavior, poison dart frog tadpoles consume 3 or more tadpoles of the same species or relatively large larvae common in their environment, resulting in faster growth rates and often much longer lives. For the people of the Amazon rainforest, poison dart frogs are not only part of the ecosystem, but also an important part of their culture and way of life. For hundreds of years, indigenous people have been extracting poison from frog skins by gently heating them, creating the poison without harming the animal. The poison is applied to the tip of the dart, increasing the effectiveness of hunting wild animals. In some tribes, the frog is still considered a symbol of strength and connection to nature. Despite their powerful defenses, the poison dart frog is still unable to fend off its greatest threat: human cruelty. Many species of poison dart frogs have recently lost their habitats to deforestation, climate change and pollution, contracting chytrid disease and being captured as pets. Some species are listed as threatened or endangered as a result of these consequences. Zoos have attempted to conserve them by treating captive frogs with an antifungal drug used to treat athlete's foot in humans. Poison dart frogs help control insect populations, maintaining ecological balance in the Amazon rainforest. Conservation efforts are not only to protect the poison dart frog, but also to keep the Amazon ecosystem, an ecosystem that is vital to the planet, from becoming sterile. The poison dart frog is a perfect example of the magic of nature. Small but powerful, charming but dangerous, they remind us that every living thing has an important role to play in the ecosystem. But if humans don't act soon, will they still exist for everyone to admire this beauty in the future? Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from us. See you on the next journey of discovery.